had took this a long time ago. This here is Beacon, New York. I'm just gonna go over here. See that tall church? Just going around. Skip over real quick. Alright. That river is the Hudson River. I just came from church. It is the 20. Look and see. Oh, my head. It's the 23rd on a Sunday. And it came from church, Beth South, Kojic Church. I gotta remember the pastor's name, but he's coming from the church I came from. He's the person from the church I came from in Memphis, and so they branched off here. Well, I'm standing at Beacon train station here, and across from the river, across from me is Newburgh, across the river. And you see it's over here in Beacon, they got a little playground area right where the train station at. On that side, they have boats where I don't know where the boats went. But there's a ferry that comes over here and pick up passengers and take them over there to Newburgh. They also have a shuttle bus come from Newburgh to go all the way to the airport over there in St. Stephen, something like that. There's a lot of things going on. I see that seagull on top of the light post. It's real beautiful. You see the bridge. That's the Newburgh Bridge. And see, I come from the Nyack area and from Terrytown. From Terrytown, you can make it up this way. So, I'm waiting for the train to take me back to, well, the train destination is Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station is the last train stop. That's the Grand Central Station in New York City, New York. I'm going to Nyack. So my stop would be where I was before and always will be Terrytown. So I go to Terrytown. I get off at Terrytown from here or from Poughkeepsie. I don't know no other bus or train that goes over from Poughkeepsie. Unless you're taking the Amtrak, but no Amtraks are stopping in between stops, except for one or two. I'm not sure. But anywho, I'm going to Grand Central Way, not Poughkeepsie Way. Poughkeepsie is the last stop going towards north up here. And here's the train now, the Metro Rail that takes you to Poughkeepsie. That's the last stop. Now, there's no other train that I know that goes out to Poughkeepsie, or goes to another station from Poughkeepsie. They got the main stop, Croton Harmon, then you got Poughkeepsie. Okay. I'm going to Terrytown from Beacon. And Tarrytown, I take the Hudson Link bus from Tarrytown Station to Nyack. The destination for the Hudson Link is the Palisade Lot J. Palisade Lot J is the parking lot behind Palisade Mall in trying to see if that's Nyack. I think that's Nyack. Palisade Mall is in Nyack, so just Nyack. You got West Nyack, East Nyack, North and South Nyack. They go to the store and everything. They got a store here on the platform. So I go to Nyack. I don't go to Palisade Lot J often. That's the connection point to other buses. Like Palisade Mall is a connection point to other buses, as well as Nyack itself is a connection to other buses. So what I do, I go to Nyack itself to go to as a connection to other buses, but I also go into Nyack and enjoy myself. Nyack is beautiful as well, and it's also on the Hudson River too. Okay, so I take the Hudson Link bus to Tarrytown. I take the train from Beacon to Tarrytown if I go into Poughkeepsie, because there is a bus here in Beacon that take you to Poughkeepsie. So you can take the train, or you can take the train, or you can take the bus from Beacon to Poughkeepsie, from Poughkeepsie to Beacon. It goes into Winnipeg Falls and every other location. And then you got Catskill or something like that, where they have a whole lot of hotels and stores in that area from Beacon. So I take the Hudson Link, I go to Nyack. So I'm in Nyack, and from there I could take the city bus. The city bus or the Hudson Link to Suffern or to Spring Valley. Those are the destinations. Or to White Plains. White Plains, New York is up. So the Hudson Link goes to White Plains, Tarrytown, Spring Valley, and Suffern, and Munsley. Munsley is in Suffern. So it's in Rockland County. Suffern is in Rockland County. And Spring Valley, I think that's also Rockland County. And